Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, Satan Simon here. Okay, we're gonna be playing Minecraft multiplayer with the cat on PC.
Multiplayer with the cat on
hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
So, wait, so I gonna fit my video right now?
We're gonna play One Block Skyblock.
One Block Skyblock? You haven't done that in years.
Wait a minute. One Block Skyblock isn't working.
Wait, just wait a second.
Okay.
Hey everybody, it's the Cat YT here, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. In today's video, we're gonna be playing Minecraft Skyblock with my best friend Sam. Say hi.
Hi. I didn't know I was your best friend.
Bro. Okay, either ways, we're gonna join the server in 3. Wait, are you in it right now?
No.
Sam, I can literally just now punch you. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Ah!
What the hell? Why do I have progress?
No, we're blocked! So...
MK, build out. Build out, please. I'm gonna try digging.
Okay, Sam.
No, no.
They're spawning.
The dirt is shooting out. Okay, I have an idea. We've got to do something about it shooting out.
Bro. Oh, I mean, we have to like
Build
what?
borders.
Wait. I want to expand. Oh, new journey. What is that?
Yes, we got another piece of grass.
Oh, place 20 blocks. So. Oh, Sam, we made an arrow.
Why did that look like Among Us for a bit? I'm scared. It's Among Us!
Nah. Sam, what if that's...
Can I have my blocks back? Stop stealing my blocks, bro. Well, this is a cool video.
Yeah.
I want the wood. You've been stealing everything from me. What? Okay, I'm gonna craft a crafting table.
Wait, this is moss. Okay, cool.
Wood. Oak. I forgot they changed. What? I want oak planks.
Oh, I mean, you got it right. Oh God, why do we have recipes?
I have it.
Why do we have a ton of recipes?
I don't know. Maybe because we have it. I'm
No,
not sure.
like seriously, we have a ton of recipes.
Okay. Also, to remember where the block is, it's right beside the crafting table.
Yeah. I'm gonna expand.
You expand the island. Here's some dirt.
You just the mine. You're the miner. Both ways.
We both are.
Yeah.
More wood! Epic! Okay, here's some blocks. I'm gonna craft some tools. I'm gonna actually fly some. Should I get a shovel?
I think. Oh, Sam, this is a lot of wood.
Yeah.
Wait, this is crafted axe.
Okay, I'm actually crafting a pickaxe. Okay, now I'm gonna craft an axe.
A pickaxe? Why in the world do we need a pickaxe?
I have both. I have both.
Oh, okay. Well,
Take some dirt.
yippee.
You got any wood so I can craft a shovel?
I have quite a lot of wood.
Okay, I need that. Yes, now I can craft a shovel. The rest is going to go to you. Also, guys, this is gonna be a fun series. It's not just gonna be one video. Okay,
Yeah.
you can have the rest. Now I will be expanding. Wait, I'm gonna actually mine right now. You can do the placing. Oh, this is gonna be really good. Oh, a ton of wood. You know what? Why don't we start building a house?
Right now.
Yeah, true. Oh wait, we need a lot more progress. If we get progress, we can level up.
To be honest, I mean, we saw that on the bar on top.
No, I mean like we'll get different zones. Maybe now we can get the Stone Age.
Sam,
Yeah.
go to advancements.
Okay.
Press, I think it's L. Yeah, press L.
I'm already. Why have we completed most of these?
No, we haven't.
Oh wait.
Wait, go to not tips and
Dwarves, welcome to one block.
Yeah, go to welcome to one block, and then let him cook.
Where is that? Oh yeah.
Sam, we have to let someone cook.
We gotta cook him.
Let him cook.
Let him cook. Let him cough. Cuffles. Want some cuffles? Yeah, we're getting a ton of wood and upgrades. Actually, you want to complete an achievement?
So, I think this is a lot of land. I'm gonna like bridge straight.
Okay. I'm gonna complete the achievement. I'm gonna complete an achievement.
Why this?
I'm keeping it there.
Why?
I just want to, so we can know where the one block is. I'm gonna complete an achievement.
Sam!
Yeah! You're next.
No, we're not next. You know, I'm next.
Okay, put all your items in the chest. Rip MK. I guess this video is Rip MK. Okay, shall we turn both of our chests into a double chest?
Yeah, that's why I think it's the dumbest thing that you probably put it down there. So, yeah.
It's okay. I can make another one.
Let me just think. You know what I think I'm gonna do?
What?
I'm gonna like bridge. Wait, can we even?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure if you even know. What the hell?
Sam,
Yo!
really this trader.
Wait, keep him alive. Keep him alive.
Let me look at him. Someone's a try and challenge. Drop to the point. Order a chicken. Sam,
Yeah.
get dirt right now. Get dirt. Yo, no,
Try to get in here.
no. Good.
Sir! Sir!
There we go.
Yes, we got him. This is our bridging block to him. We can keep him in that. Wait, keep him in it. Maybe a zombie spawns.
Don't worry, bro. Don't worry.
I safeguard him.
Sam,
Yeah?
need dirt really quick. Give me 25 dirt.
Okay, I'm gonna put everything in there. Take dirt. As much dirt as possible. Put all the resources you get in the chest except for dirt if you want.
I'm gonna need like mobs.
Yeah, we need
So,
mobs.
I'm gonna bridge really far.
Okay, I got a ton of dirt. Not a ton, but better than nothing dirt.
This is probably the dumbest idea of building it out of wood, but who cares?
Wait, you're using wood?
Yes.
I'm kind of mad, but okay. Oh, wait! I just need to break a few more blocks. The last
What
block.
last
This is the last block. We have leveled up. Look
How
at the
much wood do you
chest.
have? What, how much wood? How much wood?
Wait, I need.
No, blood, mine.
Yes!
Leaves. What are we gonna do with leaves? Oh,
We're in the mangrove, I think.
fine. You block, I guess.
Yeah. More blocks. Okay, we've unlocked the forest step.
Yeah.
Just put all the items you want to in the chest. Put all the items.
Okay.
You okay? And guys, make sure to like and subscribe to me and the cat on PC.
Personal advertiser.
Yep. Not really personal, but sure. Sure.
Let's go. He agreed.
No, I don't agree.
Just said.
Nuh-uh. You agree.
To what?
To living. To breathing. Breathing is now illegal.
Wood. Give me all of your wood.
There's wood right here.
Give me your wood. That's good. Okay, so Azalea.
Wait, I want to see what he trades.
With
Yeah.
this, you know what we can do? With Azalea.
Oh. Wait, Lazelia trees.
Yeah.
You genius. I was about to say something. Wait, this guy's actually good. We need to kidnap him. Please don't cancel us, YouTube. YouTube, no.
Literally here.
Huh?
He's literally here. What do you want us to do?
Kidnap him even more. Oh, wait. We can put...
Wait.
Wait, we need 22 zombies right now.
Well, Sam.
Your farm ain't farming. I think you need to build higher up.
Wait.
Hey, you stole
we're
that.
quite high, you know. Look at her. We're 61.
That isn't enough.
Sam, Bob's. Wait.
Oh god, where did half of the chest go? Oh my. Yes, all the resources. But we need to break 300 blocks to the next phase. Actually, one more. 100. I just remembered. Creepers can spawn.
Yeah, I think they can spawn in this Y level. They can. Trust me. They just need to make this farther.
I learned something that scares me. Well, I didn't learn it. Actually, creepers can spawn on this.
On what?
On our like
One block.
the one block, it can spawn creepers and mobs, even evokers.
Yeah, I know. Everybody knows.
I know, and that's why I'm scared. I'm not prepared.
We have wooden tools, so you can take them on.
Top 10 reasons why I hate him.
Why do I have the azalea tree in my inventory? I might die or something.
Yeah, you probably
I'm
would.
gonna keep it down here. Just don't move it. Just leave it there. That's my precious baby.
Stop taking everything.
Bro, I need the boss.
Moxiara, I can give you that.
Can I not place?
For a second, I thought I heard the wither death from Bedrock Edition.
The what?
The wizard's death.
Ooh.
How the wither dies. Also, you will need some more moss.
Yes, I need a lot of moss.
I
That's
can
2 pieces of moss.
get out. Wait, why
This
don't?
guy-
Are you gonna make a tree farm?
Well, so that's really kinda, you know, kinda
Useless?
like.
Is it useless? Yeah.
Actually, why do I need a tree farm? It's kinda useless.
That's literally my thing.
Wait, it has. I mean, we have literally infinite wood. Is it infinite wood? No?
Yeah, but it depends. If we go into different stages, probably not.
Hey, I'm mining. Oh, we got the second one of you.
How
Oh,
did
this
he
one
get out?
says Saplings. This one says saplings.
Oh, I also have one sapling. That's useless.
Did you have a sapling?
Yes, look at what I'm holding. Don't! I want to see his
What?
trades.
Yeah. Okay, you can see his traits. It's pretty trash if we have a sapling already.
No. You know what? He has birch, my favorite. And
Sam, I have the sapling. I bought it.
okay, I just realized how we can get infinite iron because he sells iron for bones and bones for iron. Excuse me? You need to go back here. I don't even know how he got out.
That's not him.
Then where did our other guy go?
You can't have 2 of them at once.
That's honestly stupid.
That's okay. That's so the game can be fair.
No, it would never be fair. Come on, guy. A house perfect for you. Rent is free. It's only your life at the cost.
To be honest, I kind of don't think that rent is free.
You want the sapling?
By the way, give me your sapling.
I gave it. Excuse me? I need you to go back into your... Hashtag plant a tree!
Oh my god.
I'm calling Mr. Beast my guy.
Moisturizer. I mean, moisturizer.
Mr. Yeast. Remember him? Yusuf.
Oh yeah. It's Yusuf.
Yeah, he... I trapped him! I got him. He's cooking. Can we get cobblestone, please?
Wait, what?
Very soon we can get cobblestone.
Are you really sure about that? Like, are you 100% sure?
Yeah, only like 40 blocks. Only 40.
Oh god, that's... Your tool is just broke.
It's okay. I have another sapling.
Give me that. Do you have more dirt?
2.
I
Wait.
just took that.
You need dirt?
Yes, I need dirt.
Here's 3 pieces.
Let's well, we made a tree farm.
Infinite. For no reason.
I mean, it's kind of stupid that
I don't care.
you want tools.
Thanks. Really needed
Even
that.
though, I mean, even though you could craft them, it's fine.
I don't wanna.
You're lazier than me.
No, because I'm about to get... I think soon we may get into the Stone Age.
All I need is the axe. Because,
Mobs.
yes. Or villagers.
No, why would you kill them?
You can order Wait, Sam, you know that you can order a dog or a horse?
I'd like to order like a horse. Yay, my no, my horse!
Give me all your dirt.
You give me all your life savings.
I'll give you there.
Is that your child? Your children.
I took all the dirt.
And I took your child.
Whose child? I don't have a child.
Azalea.
You took my azalea? Give it back.
That was a robbery. You must learn next time how to
No.
deal with a robbery.
One,
A robbery.
IG.
Just one last block. This is the wood, the special wood. 300! Step 3.
Step 3.
What do we do? What did we get? There we
Find
go.
the block.
Yeah, I told you!
Cobble Mania.
Let him cook. Achievement is next. We will let him truly cook alive. Shall we cook our village?
No.
So what can I have that back?
Cobble Mania. I need the cobble, by the way.
Why?
We both need it.
Yeah, let me get a better tool first.
Let me get a better axe first.
No.
Why?
Because I just need to make a better pickaxe. Can I have that? I just need one more. And I'll give you the rest.
Have your one more. I needed 2 more. I needed 1 more too, you know. So
No.
you have to pay up.
No.
Yes, because I had 2. On the recording, you can see.
No, I'm recording.
I'm recording.
I'm recording. Karen's
Wait a
be
minute,
like,
this
we're
is
recording.
getting-
That's your
By
payment.
the way, the video is getting kind of long. Do we do?
How long is it?
23 minutes.
Take, that's enough. Oh, okay. 23. For me, it's like longer, 1 minute.
Sam, you realize? Well, I'm gonna make a lot of cuts.
Partially me as well.
Because I don't want this to be a super long video.
Neither do I, but probably won't make that much.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Yep.
Oh, it's raining.
Wait, go away. Please come back in real life. Please.
No, please don't come back.
But just don't come back stronger. We don't want to know what happened last time.
Yes, your country is about to explode.
A couple countries were.
Wait, a couple? Oh yeah, a couple countries were about to
Because the thunder cloud was bigger than. It was actually affecting Saudi Arabia, the Persian Gulf, and Oman all at once. It was affecting all of them. Anyways, wait. Okay, I'm gonna get my new tools, which I have. I just need a birch tree grew up.
Oh wow.
I'm making a house
Okay.
out of the birch.
Okay.
It's gonna be world's most beautiful house, 100%.
I don't really like the sound of that.
102% then.
No
Yes.
more.
Anyways, I'm gonna deposit more resources. Okay. I've deposited a lot of resources.
On netherite.
Resources has been
Distributed.
No.
You have one coal,
One what?
one cobble.
9. Oh, okay. Yeah. There. I'm gonna actually take the dirt. Good. Because I want to collect everything. Oh.
Stop. Like all of this, I'm gonna cut it out. I said I'm gonna cut until something funny, like fun happens or anything good that happens.
Okay.
Because this is boring.
Honestly, but
Just
I'm not gonna cut it a lot. I'm just gonna cut the part where my sister ruins everything.
so I'm gonna just get my health back. I mean, not my health back, my hunger.
Okay.
GG. Tick, 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 tick.
I need dirt.
Oh, damn. I don't know what to do about that.
I have an idea. Our villagers keep on spawning like here and here. Why don't we just cover up both areas?
Sam, a zombie.
Yeah, okay. You already killed it.
Wait, what else am I supposed to do with it?
I don't know. Okay, the new compartment for villager spawning. I'm gonna farm the zombies. You can just stay at mining.
It's not done yet. You have any blocks or something?
In the chest. No! Two creepers.
Oh.
Lure them
Wait.
here.
Yo.
No, run! There's 3. I got one. Okay.
We both don't have blocks.
Yeah.
Do you have any blocks?
No. Okay, I'm gonna lure it here. Move.
Sam, behind us! Sam!
I'm running. To the skellies. No! MK, why is there so much? Even zombies are spawning in the villager compartment. Okay, yeah, leave that block off.
This is an issue.
Yeah.
What do we do?
I'm not sure I want torches badly.
Maybe if we progress more?
Maybe that's why I should build the house. Or we should.
Okay, wait. Just
I'm gonna build a nice house.
wait a second. Okay, guys, so something interesting happened.
Yeah,
this thing,
we got kind of partially blown up.
yeah, and this thing it works. And don't ask if you wanna ask how I got back my regeneration. I killed
Jumped
myself
off.
and put my stuff in there. So
Yeah. Oh gosh, what the heck?
what?
Oh, why is there so many mobs spawning? I've actually never seen that many spawn in one small area.
I think this is gonna be our mob spawner.
Yeah.
Or yeah, I can make it to a farm.
True. And I'm trying to work into I'm trying to build a house for us.
I need all the wood.
For what?
Thing.
What thing?
Mob. Spawner. Thing.
No. First we have to build a house.
You want to build a house?
A safety box, basically. This has mobs spawning in it.
We need torches.
Yeah, but I don't know how to get torches. When torches don't spawn, we can't
The
get...
only way that we know is, by mining the stupid block.
Okay, I need you to watch out for me and I'll mine.
Okay, you mean just basically stand still.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, this is gonna be a
Montage.
boring moment. I wish editor me can know how to speed this up.
Also, editor me can help. If you want, I could help.
I mean, Sam, this is gonna be like 2 times speed or 3. Oh, still there's a spider jockey.
Take a pic.
Never mind, editor me, don't
Cut it.
2 times speed. This
Yeah.
is cool.
And also
Yes,
editor Sam. May edit. May. Maybe June.
Sam, what do we do?
I took a pic.
It's not that rare though.
Yeah, it's actually quite common for us. We keep on seeing it.
Well, editor, start the 2 times your speeder because this is gonna be boring.
Yeah.
Sam, our
Yep.
sounds are gonna be so funny if we 2 times speed. That's why.
That would be really funny.
Yeah, because we're gonna be like,
Yeah.
we're gonna be like little babies.
Yeah. Woo, baby.
Sam, they're gonna burn to death right now.
Alhamdulillah. That shouldn't be a happy thing, but it is.
Ah, Sam, I almost just fell off of all of my items and all of my stuff, and all of my.
Yeesh. What you been carrying?
I've been carrying a lot of wood, you know.
Maybe that's... Oh, I don't know who I hired as my partner, but I regret it.
Yo, come to me.
No, MK. Yeah, don't do no that. That's no good. But MK. But MK. Wait. Wait, I'll do it. Cool, don't montage this.
Yeah, stop the 2 times speed.
Yes. Oh wait, also the viewers can... Wait, what about the skeletons hitting us?
Oh, actually, Sam.
And the creepers can still blow up.
Oh, yeah.
Potato!
Wait, there was a potato.
Yeah,
Sam,
he
there's
dropped
a
a...
lot of mobs, you know. They have a shade, you know. And it's currently raining, you know.
Yeah, I wish it was not. Maybe they would all melt.
Melt is kind of aggressive. Sam,
Disintegrate.
they're shooting me. They're shooting
Why am I laughing?
Sam, you're laughing at your friend dying. How dare you?
How dare I? I shall die now.
Ah! Sam, run!
Moo! Creeper? Oh man. So we back in the mines. I'm gonna kill myself.
Excuse me, what did you just say? Okay, Sam, I'm gonna have to do this 2 times.
No,
Actually,
it's entertaining.
Sam!
MK, you dumb.
Sam, run! Oh, they pushed themselves up.
Good, alhamdulillah. Okay, I got this. MK!
Dude, Sam, you almost pushed me!
Oh! Yo, let's play Spleef! You wanna play Spleef?
Sam, did you just spleef them?
Yes!
You are not playing Sleef by Sleef?
Spleef.
Oh, there's 1 creeper left!
Play Spleef with him! Spleef him! MK!
Sam,
We spleefed him off to live in a different life.
and laugh and love. Live, laugh, love. He's living and laughing.
He's
and love.
dead. I love Spleef. I'm gonna play Spleef for the rest of my life. News video
Sam?
coming out soon. Yes.
Sam, why? Sam,
Yeah.
look!
Oh my god, that I'm gonna eat it.
Mysterious trader.
14 bones for 6 iron. Wait, he's
What?
actually better. Wait, he's a lot better.
He spawned spawned over here.
Try to lure him. Oh, we have 2 trees. Man, they grow up so much.
But I'm gonna have to.
Please, no.
Can you make a boat? You can make a boat, by the way.
Yeah, sure.
Sam, I want to build down.
An upside down house.
No. I want to build down. I want to go down.
Oh, that's so expensive, but sure. I caught him. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
I think I know how to. Need trapdoor though.
Yeah, the trapdoor tingy. I love tingy.
I probably do not know how to do this, but
Beep, beep, beep. This is the first interesting thing. Him dying.
Sam, what do we do if he dies?
Do I do it? Do I say it?
What? Yes, say it.
No. There's nothing we can do. Do I?
You know, Sam?
What? You quit YouTube? No, please.
This is why I quit YouTube.
Hey, we both quit YouTube.
Nah, JK, I don't quit YouTube. I'm living and laughing and loving.
I made a video. I made a post saying why I quit YouTube. It's fake, everyone. Don't worry. I did not quit YouTube. It's just that I want to delete my YouTube. Stop wasting the durability, you dummy.
Okay. When we get water, we can fish.
Yeah, let's go fishing,
But
everyone.
for now, I have to fish you. No. Keep away.
Never anger Sam, or else he will eat you a lot. No. Why would I ever do that?
Whose items are these?
Those are mine.
No, these.
Yeah,
three.
those were mine. I don't want them.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna. I need my hunger.
No. Don't throw them. We can use it as a fuel source.
Okay.
Did you just?
What?
We can't use that.
No, I needed the hunger. I mean, no, I needed the hunger.
To die.
Yes, I totally did it. Yeah.
We have an extra oak sapling.
Should I plant a tree for me?
Mr. Beast, sponsor us, please.
Yes. Please give us money.
I know. Mysterious trader, what do you want for your stuff? I want your stuff.
Well, Sam, the only way I know how to do this is by killing myself.
Wait, do you have any skeletons? Bones? You got any bones?
Well, wait, Sam, I'm gonna like get one block. I'm gonna have to like jump off and then quickly place them.
Ah.
I did it like that!
Yeah! We
Mission
need more
success.
mobs to spawn again.
Sam, why do I spawn with the mysterious trader? I'm not a mysterious trader.
Because I kind of did that. Wait, I have a system. If you do, just get on the boat.
What?
Look, POV, you spawn here. You want to get out? Go on a boat. Get out. I just invented it. I probably did not invent, but in this world, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, a lot of this video has to be cut out.
Okay, yeah.
I have the muffin. I make
Learn about that.
Mr. Fluffin Muffin number 18. Actually 20 something. Yeah, 30.
What was that sound?
Sound.
No, what was that sound effect?
MP4.
What was that? No, again, I heard something. What was it? Was it Teams?
IDK.
Let me check.
DK? Don't know.
Wait.
For once, Birch!
I think Sam, can you check Teams? Like, I don't know how to cut out my video. I mean, I can't wait. No, I mean like pause my recording. How do I? But
I don't know.
expansions.
What does that mean? Oh, place 500. How?
Don't ask me how I did it. I just did it.
Okay, anyways, I'm gonna build my house.
Alright. You're doing expansions too.
Yeah. Oh god, I'm getting so many birch saplings.
I got a few messages on like I don't know anything Teams or something.
What was the messages?
I want to check them. I have the urge.
Check them.
Wait. I stopped my recording. My recording is black. Wait.
Now I need a lot of dirt, by the way. It looks like I'm the one that's mining everything. It's literally me. And the game doesn't even give me credit for it. That's rude. Okay, well, you know the floor is gonna be made out of moss. What? Share your screen and I'll see.
Okay. No. Actually, I don't think if I share my screen, it might make it. When can you let's talk about this after the video.
Okay, because I'm not sure they can only see Minecraft.
Okay. Okay, I'm done. I already opened. I think. Okay. Sam, no, it's becoming nighttime and I'm not even done.
Oh no. Okay. I'm making doors.
Sam, make a hidey hole. We need.
I partially have made one.
I need to make this. I need to finish this quick.
It won't let me do anything. I tried to collect sticks. It won't. It takes me like 300 clicks. Oh wait, that
That
rhymes.
rhymes actually.
Yeah. MK, I just did some trolling. Open the door! Did you have all your items?
Yes, I died.
Top 10 reasons why I quit YouTube.
Skeleton shot me off.
No! Give me that skeleton corpse. I want him.
I was doing something, and then they just shot me.
Bismillah, what the hell is wrong with creepers these days?
Sam, just don't go there.
Yep, I'm running away. Nope, you can't see me through the door, my friend. Wait, spiders can go through doors. Can they?
No.
Wait, is this in hard mode?
No.
Go!
This is a door. You put a door.
It works!
It works. It definitely works.
Yeah, it works.
this, please.
Okay.
I'm getting quite a lot of message from you know who. You know. The
Oh.
person that we dealt with yesterday.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, Sam, we got somebody's coming.
No.
Just ignore it for now. We'll talk about this later.
Okay. I'm waiting for the skeletons. I want them to come.
The skeleton? You know what?
I need sacrifices! Bismillah! No. Don't! What are you doing?
Oh no!
Yo, what
can
you
shoot them from
doing?
above.
What you doing?
I'm hiding in door PvP.
Dorby.
Oh!
Here's the gunpowder.
I'm tier 1 in door PvP.
I need you to place a block right here.
Where?
Here.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like I'm accidentally gonna blow up this.
Don't worry, Sam.
No, Dorby.
Sam, if you blow up, we both blow up together, you know.
Oh, come on! The skeletons keep on killing themselves. I don't like that. I could abuse them. No,
Sam,
you skeleton! Why would you die?
I need to do something.
Don't.
There, you have a block.
No.
Sam, I need to go there and do renovations. I want
Yeah.
you to kill them. Kill them, kill them.
Give me.
Oh, sweet heavens.
Excuse me. Did you not pay taxes?
No,
He
no,
did
no.
not.
Kill the creeper. I need to do something really quickly.
Please don't come.
Right behind you. Oh,
You got any blocks?
precisely.
Precisely 1 fifth worth of blocks.
Sam,
Yes!
how many blocks?
Nah. I need a roof over my head. There's skeletons at the base!
Well, I guess we stay here.
No, I don't. Operation Save Base? Not going that successfully. Okay, I saved the base except our villager is dead.
Wait, our villager is dead?
Yeah, I kind of needed him for the iron. At least the zombies gave me food. Man, the zombies are better than the skeletons.
Sam,
Yeah?
I need you to give me some wood.
Wood?
A lot of wood.
I got no wood, but sure. Where's my tools?
Wait, those are your tools?
Give me back my tool.
Oh.
Yeah.
There you go.
Where's my shovel?
It's in the chest.
Oh. I was so mad when I saw that I didn't even have my tools.
Bro, the shovel was there at least.
I don't want the shovel. I want the other stuff. So you need dirt and wood, right?
Never mind, I have all of it.
Oh.
By the way, we have a full-on mob grinder.
Yeah, true. Also, all the stuff that was in the chest was mine.
Okay,
Did you take any?
which chest? The tools one?
Yeah, the ones for if you
Yeah,
want
there
to
was
die.
there was literally only that.
Yeah, I know.
But why are you saying all of those were mine? What
There
else
was-
was there?
I'm not sure. I'm gonna put my axe and pickaxe in the chest, and I'm gonna go sack myself. I have 1.5 hearts. I need you to stay at base.
What do I get from this?
I don't know. Maybe our base not blow. fucking up.
Fair deal.
Oh wait, they dropped the bow.
Nice.
Hey.
Is the bomb grinder like working?
Yeah.
Alright.
They're kind of sacrificing themselves.
Alright.
Except I can't collect the blocks, so I'm gonna do something very risky. Risk it for the brisket. The biscuit. I'm on 1.5 hearts. Keep in mind.
I just took 1 heart.
Hey, can I have that?
Lifesteal SMP.
This video was sponsored by.
Somebody.
Excuse me. I need you to move. Move or you die.
Wait, what did he say?
Nothing, nothing.
No, and then you just say,
I will throw you off with me. Now move.
okay.
No, you're staying there. You live there now.
Okay.
I'm still. You know what? I'm gonna put all my items in the chest.
Here. So there's all bats.
Wee.
Sam, it's all bats in here.
I know because I killed the skeletons. Ah yes. Wait, we can get cherry saplings.
You got the chest?
No.
Then
We have a guy, a very good guy.
what does he
Sadly, we can't sell him anything for anything good. Do I execute him?
I mean, we get cherry saplings.
You want those even?
Can I execute him?
I want to.
I want to.
No! 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 Okay, finally. No!
He was parkouring.
When did villagers become smarter than humans? I know hablo inglés. My brain has malfunctioned. I have become cooking. I am cooking.
So,
I forgot an achievement.
I feel like this is enough for day 1. I
Yeah.
meant day 1, but for the first episode, I feel like this
Yeah.
is enough, right?
Yeah, sure.
What you're gonna do one last achievement. Do your achievement and then we.
Let him cook!
Ah!
Let him cook!
Damn, bro. Truly a top G achievement.
Yeah.
Well, guys.
That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and goodbye.